Hey everybody, this is Joe here today with a demo tutorial in the AS Manager and AS Web software. And for today's video, I would like to focus on how you can customize your reports whenever you are wanting to pull user information or whenever you're wanting to run a query and show a report of who has accessed doors. So your access monitor report. You do have the ability to customize what fields show up on the report, and in today's video, I would like to show how to do that. If you find the video content useful on this channel, please subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up because it really does help the exposure of the video. So again, for today's video, I am going to focus on how to customize your reports whenever you're pulling data within the AS Manager and AS Web software. Where we will start on today's video is if you are in AS Manager, you'll want to go up to your desktop in the top left and open up AS Web. Whenever you do this, you'll see all of your icons appear, and we are going to start on the user list tab. So once we click on this, we can full screen it. And there's a couple of things that I'd like to point out. User defined field setting, if you click on this, it allows you to create up to 10 custom user defined fields. So what this means, if we close this out, right here along the top, there are different pieces of information that you can tie to a user. So if there is not a column header that you need listed out already, you do have the ability to basically create that as a custom field. You would click on user defined field setting first, and then you would go ahead and name that field right there, whatever you want. You would just type it in. So let's just say ID badge number, for example. We hit that. That is now field number 7. And what you can then do is if you click on any one of these fields, the drop down associated with it, you can then go to columns and you can scroll down and you can see all of your user defined fields right here. So the one that I just created, ID badge number field, is right there. So if I want, I can click on it and it will now show up right here in my list. And so this information would be available on the report that I run. So again, what you can do is you can go through and choose whatever information that you would like to appear on the report. You can go ahead and enable that right here just by clicking on the tab. And once you get that set, just click off of it. And if you are ready to export your user list, right here in the top right, you can click on export, and you have several different options here that you can choose. PDF is the most common, because if you choose PDF and you're wanting to print out pictures associated with users, then the pictures will show up on the PDF. Now, when you hover over PDF or Excel or any of these for that matter, you'll see two options, all and this page. This comes into play because if you have multiple users and you're filling up one page, you're then going to have, 2, 3, 4, and so on number of pages down below. You can either choose to just export this field alone, this page alone, or you can do all pages. Now, one other option that I would like to show is if you want to run an access log report. This does allow you to also customize what data shows up on the log. So if you click the drop down and go to columns, again, you can see all of the different information options that are right here. So you can enable any of these, it'll show up right here, and then whenever you export it, it will appear on the report. This has been a demo tutorial video on customizing your user reports as well as your access log reports. For further information on the GeoVision product line, please check us out at www.geovision.com.tw/us. Thanks a lot for watching.